This podcast is proudly sponsored by Cloud Microphones, the artisanal creators of premium ribbon microphones like the 44A I'm using now. Cloud Microphones. Join the ribbon revolution. Testing 1, 2, baby. Today's podcast hits me right in the gut. Imagine the aroma of fresh herbs, the sizzle of garlic in a pan, and the satisfaction of creating a meal from scratch. As a self-proclaimed foodie, I've found that the joy of cooking goes far beyond the taste. It's an experience that nourishes both body and soul. Welcome to Wisdom from the Porch with GP, a heartfelt podcast dealing with themes of personal growth, resilience, and kindness, providing you with practical wisdom and a sense of community. So come on, join me on the porch. Cooking at home has always been one of my greatest pleasures. It's a chance to experiment with flavors, try new recipes, and create something truly special. Beyond the culinary creativity, cooking is a form of self-care. It's about taking time for yourself, being present in the moment, and enjoying the process as much as the final dish. Whether it's a simple breakfast or an elaborate dinner, there's something deeply satisfying about preparing your own meals. But I hear you, we're all busy. Who's got time to cook, right? It's easy to see cooking as a chore. The convenience of takeout and ready-made meals often seems like the easiest option after a long day. We might think we don't have the time. We might think we don't have the time or energy to cook, or we might feel intimidated by the idea of preparing a meal from scratch. This conflict between convenience and the joy of cooking can make it hard to see the benefits of home-cooked meals. For a while years ago, I felt too busy to cook and relied heavily on takeout. I quickly noticed the difference in how I felt. Less energized, more stressed, and less connected to my meals. One weekend, I decided to spend a few hours cooking a simple but hearty meal. The act of chopping vegetables, getting the seasoning just right, and watching it all come together was therapeutic. Not only did the food taste incredible, if I say so myself, but I also felt a sense of accomplishment and relaxation that I hadn't experienced in a while. From that moment on, I made cooking a regular part of my weekly routine. I don't cook every day, but it transformed my approach to food and self-care. So, my friends, here's why you should embrace the joy of cooking. 1, cooking helps you appreciate the ingredients and understand where your food comes from. It fosters a deeper connection to what you eat. 2, when you cook at home, you control the portions and the ingredients, making it easier to choose wholesome, nutritious options. 3, it's a stress reliever. The act of cooking can be meditative and relaxing. That's what it does for me. It provides a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life. 4, as a creative person, experimenting with recipes and flavors sparks that creativity and brings excitement to your meals. And lastly, 5, cooking with family or friends can be a fun and meaningful way to spend time together bonding. And that's our time today. Sincerely, thank you for joining me on this journey. If you'd like to get in touch with me, feel free to email me at chatswithgp@gmail.com. And if you're not already, please follow me on my social media under the tag thatbassvoice. No matter where life takes you, from my heart to yours, keep thriving. And remember, the joy of cooking is one of life's greatest delights. Yes, yes. So take time to savor it and let it enrich your life in ways you never imagined. Peace.